Hello, kids! Today, let us learn about exclamatory sentences. What is an exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence expresses strong feelings or emotions. It is said in a rising intonation. It ends with an exclamation point. For example, that is perfect. You did a good job. He is amazing. What a spectacular show! I won! Most exclamatory sentences consist of interjection. Interjections are words that express some strong or sudden emotion. They may express delight, disgust, contempt, pain, joy, impatience, surprise, sorrow, or wonder. These are examples of interjections that we can use. We also have to remember the proper use of exclamation point in exclamatory sentences. In this example, exclamation point follows the interjection wait. This exclamation point separates another sentence or statement. We use period after the second statement. In this example, the interjection great is followed by a comma. It means the sentence is not yet finished and it is a part of one whole exclamatory statement. The exclamation point is used at the end. These are some more examples of exclamatory sentences. Notice the proper use of the punctuation marks. Oh, that is my favorite song. Beware! Dogs here don't bark, but they bite. Whew! That was close. Let us now answer this activity. Punctuate each exclamatory sentence correctly. Number 1. Answer. Careful, the tiger is hungry. Number 2. Answer. Wow, that was easy. Number 3. Answer. Awesome, our team won the game. Number 4. Answer. Hush, don't make a sound. Number 5. Answer. Bravo, you did very well. Number 6. Answer. Oh no, she lost her beloved kitten. Number 7. Answer. Ouch, my tummy hurts.